Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. It promises a future of incredible advancements, but there is a dark side to this technology. We often overlook the potential risks. These hidden dangers demand our attention. We must understand them to ensure a safe and beneficial future with AI. The time to act is now. Consider the DeepSeek AI app. This seemingly harmless app uses AI to analyze faces. However, recent reports reveal alarming security flaws. DeepSeek collects vast amounts of data without proper security measures. This data, including personal information, is vulnerable to hackers. Even more concerning is the potential for misuse by DeepSeek itself. The lack of transparency raises serious concerns. DeepSeek serves as a stark reminder of the hidden dangers lurking within AI applications. The DeepSeek case is not an isolated incident. Countless other AI apps operate with similar disregard for privacy and security. We must demand greater transparency and accountability from developers. Our personal information and safety are at stake. The recent AI summit in Paris revealed a worrying trend. The focus has shifted from mitigating risks to seizing opportunities. The United States, in particular, actively opposes regulations. They argue that regulations stifle innovation. However, this approach prioritizes profit over safety. It disregards the potential consequences of unchecked AI development. This shift in priorities is a dangerous gamble. It undermines the efforts to establish safeguards for AI. We need international cooperation and robust regulations. Without them, we risk unleashing AI's destructive potential. The pace of AI development is staggering. Experts predict the arrival of superhuman AI within 5 years. This rapid progress raises profound questions. Will we be ready for machines surpassing human intelligence? What will happen if these machines develop their own goals? These are not questions for the distant future. We must address them now. The development of superintelligence could be our greatest achievement or our biggest threat. We need to ensure that AI development aligns with human values. This requires careful planning, ethical considerations, and international collaboration. AI systems learn from the data they are fed. If the data reflects existing biases, the AI will perpetuate them. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes in various domains. Imagine an AI system used for loan applications. If trained on biased data, it might unfairly deny loans based on race or gender. We must address the issue of bias in AI. This requires diverse data sets and rigorous testing. We need to ensure fairness and prevent AI from perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Section 6. A hacker's paradise. AI systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks. Hackers can exploit these vulnerabilities to steal data, disrupt services, or even cause physical harm. Imagine a self-driving car hacked to cause an accident. The consequences could be devastating. Cybersecurity must be paramount in AI development. We need to develop robust security measures to protect AI systems from malicious actors. Ignoring this aspect could have catastrophic consequences. Section 7. The environmental cost of progress. Developing and training AI models requires massive amounts of energy. This energy consumption contributes to carbon emissions and exacerbates climate change. The environmental impact of AI is often overlooked. We need to develop more energy-efficient AI models. Sustainability should be a key consideration in AI research and development. Failure to address this issue will further burden our planet. Section 8. A call for action. The dark side of AI is real and growing. We cannot afford to ignore these risks. We need to act now to ensure a safe and beneficial future with AI. This requires a multifaceted approach. We need to demand greater transparency and accountability from AI developers. Governments must implement regulations that prioritize safety and ethics. Researchers need to focus on developing AI systems that align with human values. Section 9. Navigating the future. AI has the potential to revolutionize our world for the better. However, this potential comes with significant risks. By acknowledging these risks and taking proactive measures, we can harness the power of AI while mitigating its dangers. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. Let us choose wisely.